The history of Jerusalem is extensive and spans thousands of years, encompassing various civilizations, cultures and religious traditions. Here's a condensed overview of its history. Ancient period. Archaeological evidence suggests settlement in the Jerusalem area dating back to the 4th millennium BC. The city gains prominence as the JEBUS city of JEBUS around 2000 BC. King David and Solomon around 1000 BC. King David captures Jerusalem and makes it the capital of the United Kingdom of Israel. His son Solomon builds the first temple on the Temple Mount. Babylonian conquest in 586 BC. The Babylonians under King Nebuchadnezzar II capture Jerusalem, destroy the first temple, and exile the Jewish population. Persian and Hellenistic rule. After the Persian Empire conquers Babylon, Jews are allowed to return and rebuild the second temple. Alexander the Great's conquest introduces Hellenistic influence. Roman period. In 63 BC, the Roman general Pompey takes control of Jerusalem. Herod the Great expands the Second Temple complex, making it a grand religious center. Crucifixion of Jesus. Jerusalem becomes a focal point for early Christianity due to events like the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Roman destruction. In 70s, the Romans destroy the Second Temple during the First Jewish-Roman War. The Jewish population is dispersed. Byzantine period. Christianity remains a major influence, and Jerusalem becomes a center of pilgrimage. Emperor Constantine's mother Helena identifies Christian holy sites. Islamic rule. In 638, Muslim forces capture Jerusalem. The Dome of the Rock and Al-Aqsa Mosque are built on the Temple Mount. Crusader period. European Christians capture Jerusalem during the First Crusade in 1099 and establish the Kingdom of Jerusalem. Muslims recapture the city in 1187. Ottoman rule. Jerusalem comes under Ottoman rule in 1517 and remains part of the empire for centuries. Religious diversity and cultural exchanges thrive. British Mandate. Jerusalem is included in the British Mandate for Palestine after World War I, leading to increased Jewish immigration and tensions with Arab communities. Modern era. The city's significance grows as the Israel-Palestine conflict develops. Jerusalem is divided between Israel West and Jordan East, from 1948 to 1967. Six-Day War. 1967, Israel captures East Jerusalem including the Old City from Jordan. Israel annexes East Jerusalem, a move not recognized internationally. Ongoing disputes. Jerusalem remains a contentious issue in the Israel-Palestine conflict, with both Israelis and Palestinians considering it their capital. Religious significance. Jerusalem is a holy city for Jews, Christians and Muslims, housing sites like the Western Wall, Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and Al-Aqsa Mosque. The history of Jerusalem is deeply intertwined with religious beliefs, political aspirations, and cultural identities. Its significance continues to shape regional dynamics and international